Could you mute your mic? Oh, okay.
Game on.
Is it bugged again?
No, a quest call with Flawed.
Time is barely outside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Yo, you should do
Till
triple
my
shotgun.
shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I probably couldn't do it.
we'll go.
Wait, Sloth joining?
Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Huh?
Is Sloth joining?
I don't know, maybe?
Oh wait, were you calling
How
him?
was call?
Oh.
Yeah. Let me see if he's on.
No, he's not. He's on his Xbox right now. It's fine. It's okay. I could do triple shotgun. I could have put that.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Simon, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the
I just made the most rookie mistake ever.
I see the world through eyes covered in bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
That is the most rookie mistake
I
ever.
love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Makari wanted to join.
I swear.
Okay, now.
I feel like a double shotgun should one tap it. I hate Elite so bad. What? I got stuck on you.
Sorry.
Where's my shotgun? Oh my god, my other. Bro. gotta miss a trick shot now. I don't even know if that's still possible. Why did I drag this out so long? I don't have to show it. Coming on, Krista? I stepped out of my boundary. I can't see anything, bro. I can't jump, bro. Oh my god.
There's one more bot. Two more. One under. Right there. Where's looking like Cafe the only the missing. I don't know why people are saying that boy they really is there in the instant. What they say they was a what they said there was a triple. I really don't say that it ain't really like that, but there ain't more on nobody here.
Where's the one that keeps shooting the rapid fire thingy? It's not on where it was.
My bad. Krista, come on, there's more.
Huh?
I'll take the next one that's right there.
Contestants have arrived. All the way here.
Okay.